What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, and as you guys can see, the chart is looking very good. It has pumped up quite a bit over the last 2 weeks, and especially here over the last week itself, it has been hitting huge green candlesticks, and it is up just about 4% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, however it does add up guys. As you guys can see, over the week little green candles adds up to 66% up right now, and it has hit over 3 cents guys, heading towards the 4 cents target very soon. So we'll be going through what is next for Jasmy. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a price correction, going through a dip? And what is the best option? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, in my previous update on Jasmy, which was about a few days ago, I did expect it to keep pumping, hitting a higher into the green level, top tier level, and that is exactly what's happened. So we'll be focusing later on in the video on what is next regarding the Fibonacci scale, but right now I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at just about 0.024 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 0.035 cents in value, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that could also mean that the crypto is slightly overvalued due to the major difference in both the prices here, and may be going for a price correction, but we'll get into that shortly. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto is likely to be trading around 0.033 to 0.034 cents in value. So nothing major. There's not going to be a major crash or a drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal. Of course, expected to hit green candles in between as well, but the overall outcome does seem to slightly be more on the negative side, going through a little bit of a price correction. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the crypto is slightly overvalued and is expected to go for a price correction, not just over the next 12 to 24 hours, sorry, not just over the next 12 to 14 hours, but over the next 24 to 48 hours as well. I'm expecting it to be quite wavy, quite volatile, and expecting it to hit more red candlesticks as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, so this is not as realistic as it seems guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to go for an overall increase in value, even though it is likely to hit red candles in between, going for a price correction. It is then likely to be followed by green candles heading upwards, recovering, hitting a higher value than where it is at the moment, getting closer to the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of next week. But again, this crypto is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Jasmy, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So Let's zoom into the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Now we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and looking a little bit too steep, but in this chart in the positive direction. So reason is looking so steep is again because of the major pump that's been taking place over the last week or two. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not true. We all wish it was true, but that's not always the case, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July, even though I'm expecting an overall increase in Jasmy, I'm not expecting it to go for a major pump or a bull run or anything like that. Potentially heading over just over 6 cents in value is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of July. Again, I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market, in which Jasmy is likely to head over 6 cents. It's probably going to hit 8-9 cents. However, right now I am going to say 6 cents, but again, I'll keep you guys updated if there are any changes to that. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently hitting the top tier level here for the past approximately 2 years, and it is likely to go for a little bit of a dip over the coming days, heading lower down into the top tier level and potentially breaking boundaries over the coming weeks, hitting a new all-time high, heading over to 4, 5, 6 cents as I mentioned in the earlier in the video. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, especially after looking at its major pump that's been taking place over the last few weeks. Where is it likely to go? Can it hit 10 cents, 20 cents? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Now, heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see over the month it has pumped up a massive 120%, and its current trading volume is over $463 million, guys. There has been a 17% increase in the last 24 hours. The reason being is, yes, it has taken dips, but overall it is up 4%. But yeah, that is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.